Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to change a lock. So we're gonna change this lock to this one. We start by removing the old lock, obviously. It has just one screw here. To get the old lock out, after removing the screw, you have to put the key in and move a bit the key in the lock, and then it should come out. To put the new lock in, just put it in position. And then put the key in. Put in the new screw provided. One thing that I forgot to mention is always make sure you measure the lock that you have. First remove the old lock, measure the distance. So this is the inside. From here to the screw here is like 40 millimeters and this one is 50. So always make sure you remove the old lock, measure yours because they are all different. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.